To launch the boat, pull this pin, and then let the boat float off the trailer completely, and then if you're by yourself, just set it off the side with a buoy and an anchor, or if you got a helper, just have the helper hold it while you park the trailer. Put the pin back up so you don't lose it, and then when you're ready to load it back up, back it in there where you can hook the pin back up, and then pull out slowly and keep the boat between the fenders. And I built a gadget back there on the strut that's got a V in it, so the propeller strut finds that V on the way down, and it actually centers the boat by itself. So it's an easy loader. It's a one-man loader. Just hook the pin up and make sure you clear the fenders, and the rest of it will take care of itself as you pull out slowly. Easy deal.